Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TITXF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a really nice move. Now, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back, but still, where the price was going into the day relative to where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls still did make some nice solid progress overall on the day. But this leads to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better illustrate this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here a tad. And this area is right here at, what is that? 0.185. So why is 0.185 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 18.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say it continues to pull back, not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend for example's sake, and the price acts in that manner. What would you have here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have the overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying make progress as 18.5 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to talk about those right now because in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority at this point is going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, because again, as long as you have higher bases as time unfolds, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, nice move today. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.